You're a beast. Look at you. Nah, don't touch that. Get out of here. Get out of here. You're a beast. Look what you did to that. That's how you eat the pizza? That's how you eat the pizza? Look at your face. Get the greasy hands out of here. Look at you. Animal. Like a caveman. Damn, you was hungry, girl, huh? You gonna sit down? You full? Sit her ass down. Look at this little. You need to put you in acting classes, yo. You an actress. Yeah. You're like your mommy. You get it from mommy, little actress. Me too. You get it from me too. We're both some actresses. Look at you. Big ass head.
Go girls, big head. Go girls, big head. I do. Huge head. Well, not huge.
Yeah.
Just have a big head.
Look at you going in.
I've seen some girls with
Yeah.
big head.
Yeah. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. Can't say you ain't my daughter, Jazzy. You got that nose. You look just like her. You just like Titi.
Hi, Titi.
I don't know about this one though. Where you come from? Nah, she got it too. Yeah, can I get something to wrap that up?
Sure.
You can just bring a box. I'll just bring a box. Yeah.
Put some more water.
Yeah. Yeah.
My Titi. Oh, Janelle got glittery jellies too.
Got a big head, Jazzy.
You got big.
I know I don't.
You got oval big head.
Your head bigger than mine.
You know you got an oval big head. It's just not square.
It's just not round. Fat.
It's
Whoa.
It says oblique.
Thank you. You like that pizza, huh?